Howdy everybody, Fishy Jim here, and this is attempt to the fourth at Pick a Lock for Peter. I'm sure most of you have heard by now that Peter, the Irish lockpicker, has gotten some tremendously bad news recently. So in honor of him, we are picking an all brass padlock. Biggest one I could get my hands on. This one is a lever lock. It says 4 brass levers. That's wrong. It's actually 3. But it is all brass. Shackle is brass. Inside is brass. Outside is brass. Suppose this is W. Bell and Sons Limited, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Locksmiths by appointment. Not sure if that federal means it's made by a federal lock company or it's made for the federal government, because supposedly this was made for the U.S. Navy, hence the USN, but I have no real way of proving that. So whatever, it's a big old English style lever lock. You're gonna see me pick my first lever lock. First and only lever lock I've ever picked. Literally made these tools like a couple of hours ago so I could do this. So it's unlocked right now, so here's your key. Bidding is whatever, I honestly don't know. Does bidding even matter on lever locks? Question of the day. Alright, so now it is locked. First things first, short guy is my tension wrench. All the way to the back. I don't know if you can hear that on camera, but it's hitting the talon in the back and kind of going for a clicky click noise as it hits that spring. Alright, now I'll just press this to the side because these like to slip. Ah, fuck. I thought I had it. I felt one of the gates give and then it moved. Alright, attempt two. We've got this. You've got this, Connor. I've picked this a couple of times off camera, but again. There we go. It's locked. We use like what I'm guessing would be considered heavy tension. I honestly don't know. I'm pushing to the side to keep my tools from flying off into oblivion. Okay, felt some movement there. Yeah, there we go. Woo! Yeah, fuck you. Yes! Alright. Oh, God, that took too many tries. Alright, anyway, so go show Peter some love. The man needs it right now. Keep him in your thoughts. Alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time. Bye-bye.